Hey guys, I want to go ahead and talk about this performance tool scan tool. So if you have a 1996 or newer vehicle, you can actually go ahead and use this to check and then read the codes that your vehicle may be displaying when your check engine light comes on. So this thing is super awesome. We actually used it a few days ago. My husband's truck was kind of running kind of funny and his check engine light came on, and so basically you plug this into the adapter, and a lot of times it's between the steering wheel and the pedal, but you plug this in when the vehicle is not running and it will go ahead and scan your vehicle and find out exactly kind of what the diagnostic code is so that you can get your vehicle repaired. So this does not repair your vehicle, it just allows you to be able to find out exactly what is wrong with it or give you the code so that you can actually do some research and find someone to repair your vehicle, or if you can do it yourself. So just wanted to go and talk about it because this, although you may not need it every single day, it is something that you will need at some point or another, and it is something that you can definitely go ahead and use when you need it, especially when you need it in those inconvenient moments and you're in a location where, you know, you just don't have one handy. So it's great to have it on hand. Keep it in your toolbox because this is definitely a fantastic tool to have when your check engine light comes on so that you can find out exactly what is going on with your vehicle.